Hello everyone. Wow, what a spectacular sunset. Today marks the private debut of two flagship products and one architecture. The F.A.C.E. Super One, the F.A.C.E. Super EAI Face system, and the F.A.C.E. AI Embodied AI Agent 6x4 architecture. Today, I'd like to focus on the following 3 points. First, as you can see, the car beside me is the result of something remarkable. It might be hard to believe, but from introducing our bridge strategy in May 2024 to today, when we are preparing for the final bridge closure, it has only taken us 13 months. Why is the F.A.C.E. so fast? There are two main reasons. Number one, the unique Light 4, Swift 4, Focus 5, and Empowering 5 model of F.A.C.E. global automotive industry bridge strategy. Take technology empowerment as an example. We could empower the mass market F.A.C.E. vehicles with much of the core technology, software, and the AI capability of the $300,000 FF91. The FFAI 2.0 system, which was launched through OTA on the FF91, will also be deployed in the potential F.A.C.E. lineup in the future. Number two, the incredible support from our S-Tier 1 bridge strategy partners. A special thanks go to the visionary and courageous pioneers of China's auto industry. Your foresight and determination to set sail into the blue ocean could generate great value. As one of only 4 remaining next-generation EV makers based in the United States, F.A.C.E.'s unique value is being recognized and appreciated by more and more people. Second, our total paid B2B deposits for the F.A.C.E. Super One have now reached 4,000 units, covering 4 key sectors: our FF partners, rental car companies, live e-commerce MCN agencies, and real estate brokerages. How come that even before its official launch, the F.A.C.E. Super One generated such strong interest in the US market? The key lies in: first, we hold 5 success-defining powers. Product power. Our vehicles are designed to tap into blue ocean market and become blockbuster models in the US. Sales power. We created an explosive ecosystem by combining our co-creation ecosystem online direct sales and offline B2B sales. User power. We see users and partners as point zero for product vision, setting the stage for co-creation, sharing, and win-win outcomes. Technology power and brand power, which are both areas of deep empowerment. Second, we explore the blue ocean market in the US as the first ever first-class EAI MPV in the US. Super One fills the structural gap of this market. And starting July 17th, we'll be opening up consumer-paid pre-orders as well. Don't miss the chance to reserve your own F.A.C.E. Super One. With the momentum from our B2B sales, we are confident we can hit our goal of nearly 10,000 paid pre-orders within 48 hours after the launch event. And third, we are proud to introduce the 3 stars of the show: the F.A.C.E. Super One, F.A.C.E. Super EAI Face, Front AI Communication Ecosystem, and F.A.C.E. AI Embodied AI Agent 6x4 architecture. F.A.C.E. Super One will become the disruptor of Cadillac Escalade in the AIEV era. It will not only deliver a transformative upgrade in automotive experience for our users, but also drive a major technological leap and product revolution across the entire AIEV industry. We are rolling out 2 powertrains, BEV and AI hybrid extended range. The F.A.C.E. AI Embodied AI Agent 6x4 architecture is built on a pure vision, end-to-end VLA and world model. This enables AIEVs to evolve into bionic, intelligent life forms with though personality, intelligence, and emotions, ushering in a new era where AIEVs become truly intelligent beings. The Super AIEV system, as a key tangible component of the FFAI system, will replace the fixed zombie face, the static, lifeless look of traditional front grills. It not only brings each vehicle a unique expression, 1,000 faces for 1,000 cars, but more importantly, it brings the car AI agent the ability to perceive through 5 senses and express emotions, as well as the gateway to connect and communicate with the world. These 3 stars are the most visible achievement of our unique model to date. The Super AIEV is an evolution and empowerment of FX unique B-pillar AI system we have been crafting since 12 years ago. The FFAI was born from our FFAI Hybrid 6x4 architecture, and it keeps evolving. Meanwhile, the core AI technologies in the FX Super One will become the finest embodiment of FX comprehensive technological empowerment. On July 17th, we will share more details about these 3 handlers. We welcome you to join us in downtown LA for our first public-facing global product launch. FX Super One, you are the one. Join us and be part of this historic moment. For those around the world, we invite you to tune in to the live stream and be among the first to reserve your Super One. Let's create and share in the future together. And one more thing, we will deliver in the FF91 2.0 to Mariah Carey very soon. There's more exciting news to come from her future co-creation with FX as well. Stay tuned. Now, let's invite our team and partners to join us on stage so we can all witness the unveiling of this new species together.